team. It's Thursday, December 1st, new month. So there are news in New York, but I think the main event of the week is this NFP. Yeah, it's tomorrow now. And yeah, I think we got like 2-3 weeks of decent price action before Christmas starts, and then it gets a little bit creepy. But yeah, let's focus on this week. And we still got 2 days. Yesterday, price action was amazing, in my opinion. Textbook euro manipulation. Many people complain. I don't. I think it was exactly what I wanted. As I said yesterday, I think daily was still up. Yeah, look at this weekly, doesn't look too bad anymore, right? I said yesterday, until this swing goes, daily is up, and look at what they print. This is an engulfing candle, you know? They take the low of the day before and they close above the high. This is a big bullish engulfing candle. I mean, this should send it, you know? Only for this candle, I think we're gonna go higher, but let's analyze better. Let's go to hourly. H12. I said yesterday, until we close below this swing, I think it's up. Even though this was an H12 bearish raid, what they did, they raided the fair value gap in here and take off. I mean, if you like price action, this is a beauty. To my eyes, this is a beauty. I don't know about you. Spectacular price action. This H12 BMS was calling bullishness. This is the bullish order block that the BMS up. What they did, they went into equilibrium of the bullish order block and literally took off. So I don't know, clean into the fair value gap. The swing held and now it's going up. H4, pretty much same thing. It was going down. I remember, I don't know where I did that. You know, I marked out the falling wedge at some point on some chart. I don't know, we're gonna check later. Anyway, the move up is pretty efficient on H4. Now we got this raid. Big BMS. And the move up is pretty efficient. There are no fair value gap on H4. But now we are approaching this untested rejection. I think it's gonna offer some rejection, you know? As always, I think now is up. Market structure is up, so I'm not going to short blindly anything here until I see at least an M15 confirmation. You know, I got hourly sponsorship here. If M15 confirms, maybe I'm gonna look for shorts. If not, I'd rather wait for longs. H1, yesterday we marked out this liquidity. I say that I was expecting to be taken, they taken, and then I say that I wanted a lower low because H1 was still down and they did a lower low. I mean, I think this price action is exactly what Euro love the most. They take liquidity in reverse. They always do the same. What's the next area of liquidity? This one. And once this is taken, what's the next? This one. And they did exactly that. Dump it, and then instantly reversed on London close. What I see now on H1, I see bullishness, and I see this beautiful breaker. Well, now we are approaching the fair value gap, completely gone. We are going higher. There is this order block untested somehow. It's not mitigated. You see, this big wick is not really mitigated here. So I think we can have some sort of pullback before keep going higher, in my opinion. I think price is bullish right now. Daily is bullish, H12 is bullish, everything is bullish. So if I take a short, it's going to be a scalp short, not like a hold for long. And how deep the pullback, I have no idea. There are many untested levels. I mean, this is untested. Look, this clean BMS here. This can hold. Now we forming a new order block. So I don't know if we pull back until which untested support. But there is this bullish breaker now. There is this one. We're gonna see later what else come out. Low time frame. Here. Okay. What I like to do when I see that we are approaching untested levels, because we say that this on H4 is a beautiful rejection untested, is to go down on M15 and M5 and mark out untested other blocks. This is not mitigated. Same thing for this. Look, this big wick that took the two previous candles and never get tested. So also I'm seeing price that start to lose a little bit of bullish momentum, like I always like to mark out, you know. So as I say, right now I can see a pullback. I see some liquidity. I see some liquidity here. This is the breaker. I think we can offer a pullback just to keep going higher. What else? Well, I think this is enough. Also, I was looking at SMT. We are about to approach a key area for Dixie, but not yet for Euro. So if I say something like this, will confirm my pullback idea. Imagine that we keep going a little bit higher, no? And imagine that we do this with Dixie, and then we pull back in this imbalance here. I can see something like this, while Euro goes into resistance held and pull back. I think I can see something like this. I'm not a fan of Dixie, you know me. I really don't care about what dollar does. I am only about Euro, but I think this imbalance can be a nice target for the pullback, if we ever pull back. Right now it's bullish, as I said. I don't take blind these shorts until at least M15 tell me so. That's enough for me today. Yeah, yesterday I tried to play along. I think it was, I think we were here. Yes, I had a long here when I saw price stacking up here. It was a nice long, and my target was these highs. And the first time it got rejected, and I got out of break even. I got unlucky. Also was busy and I couldn't trade that much. That's enough for me today. Speak tomorrow, guys.